I'm here in Taipei, Taiwan, Computex, and this is Mike Petereyns. See him up there? Yep, that's him. And he built this amazing PC. And so please, Mike, tell me about this PC. What was your inspiration for it?
Yeah, so like everybody knows, I make the craziest PC mods of Computex. And this year also, like you can see, it's black and gold. And as inspiration, yeah, like all the inspirations you have, they come in a flash. And my inspiration was the double D from Double Digital. You know the symbol of Double Digital, and it's like a double D. And I had like this eureka moment and was like, oh yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make a case out of that logo.
Okay.
And put the motherboard in the middle, and then I have like plates for 4 radiators and crazy water cooling setup and all the components inside.
Now he's using a lot of Bits Power fittings for this. Bits Power is a great water cooling company. Definitely love them. I use them as well for a lot of my builds. But this is next level. So let me know if you want me to show him up and build something even better. It's not going to happen. He's got his own poster up there. But thank you, Mike.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Computex 2023.
Yeah.